how I would turn my last $50 into 10 bands this summer. Not next year, not 5 years from now, this summer. You feel me? It's time to lock in and get this money for the culture. So look, I'm gonna break this down into 3 simple steps. I'm gonna draw a little box right here. And we're gonna do from, the first step is from $50. So I got my last $50, right? From 50 to about, we're gonna say 2.5K. So 2,500. If I got my last $50, you gotta find a way to make some money for free, right? So what I would do, and this is what I did when I first started, I started an Instagram theme page, right? So I'm gonna just draw a little arrow right here, draw another box, and I'm gonna put IG, right? Because this is a way that you can make money for free. Let me ask you a question. Do you have a phone and Wi-Fi? If the answer is yes, then that's all you need to get started with an Instagram theme page. You feel me? So this is exactly what I would do. I would start an Instagram theme page. And for those that don't know what it is, it's basically you're starting an Instagram page around a certain niche, right? So it could be health and fitness. It could be a business page. It could be motivation. It could be beauty. It could be photography. It could be traveling. Whatever the case may be, whatever you're interested in, you could start an Instagram theme page in that niche. It can even be sports. You feel me? And then you just post content around that niche and you never had to show your face. So this is the first thing I would do. I would start an Instagram theme page, and if I'm down to my last 50, I'm posting every motherfucking day, at least 3 times a day. No days off. Cause you gotta think like, man, this is your last. You gotta go hard. There's no days off. It's do or die. So I will be posting at least 3 times a day on that page. A mixture of reels, carousels, everything, right? And in order to grow the page, what I would do is I would study the top pages in that niche. So let's say I'm trying to start a sports Instagram theme page, right? I would go to the top pages in that niche and I would just scroll through their posts, right? And I would see what posts are performing the best. And then I just take that outlier post and post that on my page, or post something similar to that on my page. You feel me? Because if it's working on that page, it's most likely going to work on your page as well. So that's exactly what I would do to find content and to get my page off the ground in the beginning. Just go to other pages, see what posts are performing the best, and just do a mixture of that on your page. And then once my page starts to get a little motion, I will start monetizing the page for free. Like I said, we down to our last 50, so we ain't got no money to play with right now. We gotta make some money for free. And the way that you can do that is with affiliate marketing and promos. So affiliate marketing, you're just selling other people's products and you're getting a commission for it. Promos is where once you grow an audience, people just gonna start DMing you and they're gonna ask you like, how much do you charge for promo? And all you gotta do is post their content on your page. You feel me? It's very simple to do. But those are 2 ways that you can make money for free on your Instagram theme page. And if you want to learn exactly how to grow your Instagram theme page step by step, I walk you through how to grow it, how to find the best content, what niche to choose, how to monetize it as well. I walk you through everything step by step. Click the link in my description below to join my 21-day digital cash flow challenge. I walk you through the whole process step by step. But yeah, that's what I would do to get some money for free. I would start affiliate marketing and I would do some promos on my Instagram theme page. I already gave you a couple ways to grow it and everything like that. But that's the first step, right? Once I get to about 2,500, I'll move on to step number 2. Step number 2 is going to be from 2,500 to about 5 bands, right? Now in this stage, you can kind of breathe a little bit. You feel me? Like, I know in this stage right here is going to be tough. You in survival mode. It's go time. Like, you're back against the wall. It's do or die. You're going to be posting every day. You're going to be stressing. Most days you might not make no money, especially in the beginning. You're not going to make no money, but once things get going, you're going to start seeing some money come in, but it's still going to be stressful. I ain't going to hold you. It's going to be hard. It ain't going to be easy. Don't think that you're just going to start an Instagram theme page today and make money tomorrow. It's going to take some time, but that's where you got to put in that work. And if you put in that work, the results going to come. But in this stage right here, it's time to go even harder. I know I said you're going to be going hard right here, and you might be a little comfortable right here, but it's time to go even harder, because now you got the momentum, and momentum is very powerful. Once you got momentum, you don't want to stop. You want to go even harder. You feel me? So from this 2.5K to about 5 bands, what you want to do is you want to take that money that you made from affiliate marketing and promos, and you want to create your own product. You want to create your own digital product. And let me just draw a little arrow, and I'm going to put, I'll just say ebook, right? Ebook, for example, I'm going to put EB for ebook. So you can create your own ebook. This is what I did on damn near all of my pages, right? I started off with affiliate marketing and promos, and then I took that money, I invested that money, and I made my own product so that I get 100% commissions. Because you know, with affiliate marketing, they might give you like 40% commissions, 50% commissions, but you're doing all the work for them. So imagine if you had your own product and you were selling it and you got 100% commissions. So that's why I'm telling you to take that money that you made from affiliate marketing. But affiliate marketing is great to start off with because you don't need your own money to start. You feel me? Like, it'll teach you about marketing, branding, how to sell, everything like that. So it gives you all the skills necessary without having no money up front. But once you got the money and you got the skills necessary, right? Create your own product, create your ebook. So let's say you got a health and fitness page, right? You get started on affiliate marketing and you made some money. You want to take that money, go on websites like Upwork.com and find somebody to create you your own ebook. And before you do this, you want to think about who are you trying to sell to, right? Because if you got a health and fitness page, you might be posting content about everything health and fitness, but for your ebook, you want to target a specific person. For example, you could target skinny dudes that's trying to gain muscle, or you can target single moms that's trying to lose weight. You feel me? Like, there's a couple different ways you can go about it, but you want to think about exactly who you're trying to sell to, because that's going to help you with your marketing and everything like that. And like I said earlier, when you get to this stage right here, do not stop. You got the momentum, so keep going. And let's just move on to the last step. We got from 5 to 10. You feel me? 5 bands to 10 bands. What you want to do right here is I would start a YouTube automation channel. So this is what I do with all my Instagram theme pages now. I started a YouTube automation channel. The YouTube automation channel, it is going to cost a little money. So that's why I'm waiting until I got about 5 bands to play with, because it's going to take a little while to get off the ground. But if you got an Instagram theme page, it's going to make the process even faster. And it's going to make you a lot more money too. Because let me break this down for you, right? So you have your Instagram theme page, right? You're going to drive them to your YouTube automation channel. And in that video, you're going to be making money off ads. You could do sponsorships. And you could sell the ebook in your video as well. So not only is you making money from your ebook, you're making money from the ads on your channel, and you could be making money from sponsorships on your channel. And the best thing about it is you can make a video today and still be making money from that video a year down the line, 2 years down the line, 5 years down the line. So you can see how this would just turn into a money-making machine, digital cash flow. You know what I'm saying? It all starts from a free Instagram page. That's why I'm so passionate about Instagram theme pages, because it has absolutely changed my life. And I know it will change yours as well if you take action and put in the work. If you want to learn how to turn your Instagram page into an asset and to digital cash flow, click the link in my description below to join that 21-day digital cash flow challenge. And I'll get you right. I'll break down everything that you need to know from A to Z. But yeah, that's the whole process of what I would do if I had my last $50 to turn it into 10K this summer. First step, you're going to start your Instagram theme page for free. All you need is your phone and Wi-Fi to get started. And then you're going to build that page up. You're going to monetize it with affiliate marketing and promos. Both are free. And then once you start stacking up and you got about 2,500, you're going to take that money and create your own digital product. You're going to create your ebook in that same niche, right? Then that's going to make you even more money. Then once you got about 5 bands, I recommend starting a YouTube automation channel in the same niche. You're going to have the same branding as your Instagram theme page. And then that'll just take shit to a whole nother level. If y'all want to see some videos on how to actually grow a YouTube automation channel, let me know in the comment section below. Just drop YouTube automation in the comments and I got you. But yeah, that's the 3-step process. I hope that you got value out of this video. If you did, drop a like, subscribe to the channel if you're new, and I'm out. I'll catch y'all in the next one.